You are going to love the 2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.